Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video on your Shopify homepage. So it's very easy, and for this video, I'm using Horizon theme for the example, but it's actually can use for other theme. So first you can go to your Shopify dashboard and then go to your online store and themes here. And then you can go to customize here. And if you want to add a video, you can just go to your left side and go to your template and click add section here. And then you can search video here and click this one. And then actually you can edit it, you can go to the video and you can change the layout, vertical, horizontal, and others. But if you want to just add embed video, you can just click video here. Then, as you can see in the search here, can click external URL, and then I will use Mr. This video here, and then I will paste here, and it will load the video, and you can edit the text here. It's up to you, whatever you want. And then you can also, if you want to autoplay, you can just turn it on here, and it will autoplay. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.